Do you have what it takes to build a career in SEO? We all know SEO is very important in online business. As online business are trending in today's economy, there is a huge opportunity for professionals in SEO. So, what are the skills that we need to become a professional in SEO? Let's dive in. SEO professionals can come from different backgrounds. It can be a programmer, journalist, entrepreneur, or even traditional marketer. Despite of the field, there is a consistent list of skills that every SEO professional needs. The first skill is obvious writing and speaking skills. I'm not talking about writing a book or speaking to a conference. The SEO professionals do not have to have that level of skill, but still, they should be able to convince their clients and business internals to do the right thing. SEO requires not only confidence, but the ability to distill complex ideas and thoughts down into concepts that non-SEO people can understand and make decisions with. Every business wants an SEO who can convince internal teams and clients to do the right thing, and that comes from speaking at meetings and writing decks. To do these things and become successful in this SEO field, we all have to improve our ability of speaking and writing. The second skill is programming and technical skill. I'm sure that there is going to be a debate about this. I'm so sure that there are lots of SEO professionals out there who is doing a kick-ass job without having a programming knowledge. But the truth is, they could be doing even more kick-ass job if they have this programming knowledge. As SEO professionals, they have to do lots of recommendations about the things that relate to the programming, like page speed, rendering, lazy loading, server-side redirects, like those. You can understand all of these things a lot more easier with a little knowledge of programming. I am not saying SEO professionals need to be able to write code, but they need to understand the coding implications of the changes they ask for. The third skill is critical thinking. This one is hard to measure, but as an SEO professional, you must be able to understand the consequences of your concepts. As an SEO professional, by looking at data, you must be able to understand three words. What happened? Why what happened? What we should do about it. There are no right or wrong answers to these questions. The quality of your answers depends on your knowledge and your experience. Simply as an SEO professional, you must be able to look at a problem in different angles and use data and logic in decision making. Then the fourth skill is research mind. Research is incredibly important in SEO campaigns. If you want to become an SEO expert, then you should master the art of doing researches. You must have the needed comfort level and confidence to do a successful research. Even doing a keyword research may take a long time. The fifth skill is decision-making skills. Not only in SEO professions, but in every position, every job, you have to make decisions. But in SEO profession, the decisions you make can break or make the business of your clients. So your profession is highly dependent on the decisions you make. SEO is never a consistent process. Google is constantly changing the way it examines websites, and changes have to be made fast. So your knowledge is also should update with the trends. So if you want to become an SEO expert and want to build a career around these SEO professions, you have to improve those skills while updating your knowledge on the go with the trends. So, if you're someone who wants to become an SEO expert, I hope this video will help you. Let's meet with another video. Have a wonderful week ahead.